Hello everyone, welcome to the Super Tayo channel. As you know that my name is Tayo. So in this video I will show you how you can design these two logo design you are seeing on your screen. So the first thing you should do is to select the ellipse tool, you draw a circle, then you control D it. That means you want to duplicate it. So you try to put the circle on each other, but if you want a fast method you can just highlight on both of them and press C and E on your keyboard. So this is what you will achieve. So we are trying to follow the reference. So you have to click on one, then you reduce it. You press shift on your keyboard, then you reduce it. So you click on the outer circle, then you give it you give it outline. Now you click on the inner circle, you give it green. But the green you are seeing there is not similar to the one on the reference. You understand? So you have to use color eyedropper to pick the color. So after that, you click on the outer circle, then you press F12 on your keyboard, then you select the color that you want to give. You select green, then you OK. You can see. So here we are trying to. If you check the, let me show you something. If you check the reference we are following, you can see that in that inner circle we are having two color there. You understand? You can see now we are having two colors. So we try our best to achieve that. So you duplicate that inner circle. After duplication, you drag it there. So you press pi. You can see where I press the pi, then you adjust it. After the adjustment, you just mirror it. You can see where I mirror it. You can mirror it horizontally or vertically. Just make sure that you are following the reference. You can see. Just make sure you are following the reference. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe because I'll be uploading more videos on CorelDRAW, graphic design, brand design, you understand, and other way you can make money online, you understand. So we are just doing this one as a preamble. This is just a preamble. This is not the main thing. But don't forget, the reason I'm creating this is for some people that they don't have any skill to sell online. So as you all know that I'm a paper expert. I create paper accounts, a strong and verified one. Then I can help you to receive your fund. You understand? So let's continue on this design. So you want to give any if you want to give text or a shape, if you want to give it two color, you have to press F11 on your keyboard. So that F11 will bring it to this one you are seeing here. I can see how I'm adjusting it. I'm trying to adjust it. You understand? So it's not something that's so hard like that. What I'm trying to do is that I'm trying to achieve two color in that. You can see that inner circle. It has two color. It has two color. You can see. I'm trying to adjust. I'm trying to give it deeper green and light green. So you can see that's what I'm trying to do. In case you don't know what I'm trying to do, since So we have to try our best to achieve something similar to that reference you are following. You understand? So you have to be very careful and make sure you follow every step in this video. You follow every step. You can see that there is difference. If you zoom it, we can see like they blend a green, a deeper green, and a lighter green together. You can see where that's the thing blending. So that's what we are trying to do. You can see now. You can see that there is some you bring the inner circle down, then you click on that half circle. You see half circle? Let's call it half. Then you go to object, you see PowerClip and you PowerClip it. You can see you press on it and you click on the inner circle. Then you double click on the inner circle so that you can edit. It will bring you something like this. You can double click, sorry, or you press Ctrl and click on it once. It will show you something like this. So you try to adjust it. So after the adjustment, you will put everything back inside the circle, inside the outer circle, as you can see. Or you just highlight everything and press CE on your keyboard. So after that, you draw the rectangle. Use the rectangle tool to draw the rectangle. Then you pick the color dropper tool to steal the color from the original. After that, you remove the outline that is there, that black outline, you understand? Then you adjust it. So I press shift, that's why I'm adjusting the two sides at the same time. So you click on your shape tool, you just click and adjust it inner so that you can make it rounded from you can make the edge a rounded. You can see, and you just press F12 on your keyboard. F12 will allow you to. So as you can see, we have achieved our rectangle. Then you press F12 on your keyboard to give it hairline thickness. Yeah, you can see. So if you are following my video, if you are not new to this channel, you should know how I achieved that. But if you are new, kindly go back to my previous video. You can see how I have taught how you can achieve all those things. So I won't be going back. I won't be saying some things. You understand? So if you are new to this channel, just go back to the other video. Introduction to CorelDRAW, how to use toolbox, how to use the tools inside toolbox. You understand? So after you are done with that rectangle, you press test tool. You click on test tool, then you write your text 100% natural ingredient. Then you give it font. After font, you can increase the size or you expand it with pick tool. So for you to now like this, you cannot pick 100% like you cannot pick it without pressing Ctrl K. So after that, you have to press Ctrl K so that you can pick 100% separately, pick the natural separately and the ingredient separately. You understand? Because they have different place. You have to put them in a different place. You understand? So you give it color white. Very simple. So the font I'm using is Bebas, Bebas, and I will show you how you can download font in case you don't have the font on your system. I will show you maybe in the next video. So make sure you subscribe now so that whenever I upload any video, you will see it instantly. You understand? you give it color green, that deep green. You can see that to achieve all these things is very simple. You just have to follow the method that I'm using. So you just follow the method for you to get this thing instantly. And let me tell you, I'm just doing this thing for the first time. You understand? I'm also doing this thing for the first time. It's not that I have done it before. You understand? I'm just doing it for the first time. So just make sure that you follow this process. You click test property because we are dealing with test, and then you just you just bring it to the 100%. It will give you the same size. That's the this thing. It just give you the same size. If you click fill, it will give you the same color. So you can just explore more on that test property. You understand? Oh, sorry, edit test, edit property. You can see now that at least we try our best to achieve the same thing. You understand? So that's all about that one. Then let's continue on the second one. You draw polygon, then you give it 12. You can see where I give it 12 at the at that side, at the top side like that. You give it 12. So after that, you go to shape 2. You click on any node, then you convert it to curve. At that side, you can see all this curve, all this pointed angle have been converted to curve. You can see now. So you give it color and you remove the outline. After that, you draw your circle. You should just make sure that you draw circle. Some people they will draw egg and they will call it circle. They will call something they call oval shape. You understand? Some people will draw something that is not. You understand? So draw circle. Don't draw egg, and don't draw ball. Then after that, you give it color. After that, you have to control D it to duplicate it. You can see now. And then you have to place them on each other. So don't forget the method I taught you. You can highlight on both of them. You can see how you can see now. You can just highlight on both of them and press CE. Then you click on it. Then you reduce. Make sure you press Shift. Make sure you press Shift on your keyboard. You press it down, not once. You press it down while you are adjusting this one. After that, you can see the thickness. Press F12 to give it thickness. You can see. Give it any thickness that you want. It is very simple. It is very simple, but you have to follow the way I'm doing it for the first time. So the second time, at least you would have improved. You would have improved. And they say practice makes is it improvement. Yeah, practice makes improvements. So that's what they say. Once you are practicing, you will improve. But if you are just watching the video, you are not practicing it, you just feel like this thing is very simple. You understand? It's very simple. It's very simple, but you cannot do it. So you have to practice it. And if you have any question, anything that you don't understand in this video, just comment down. Or if you have my WhatsApp number, just contact me on my WhatsApp. You can see that that one is very big. That's why we cannot use it. It's very bigger than the circle. So you have to reduce. You have to use the second one. You can see this one too is somehow bigger. So you have to reduce it again. So this is how you be testing it. You be you be looking for the one that will work. So now you can press Ctrl D, because if you want to pick that 100% natural, you cannot pick it like that until you press Ctrl D. You can see now I'm still trying to reduce it and redo it again, so that everything will be similar to the original logo we are trying to do. So here you can click outside, you can see, then you click again on 100% natural. After you click on 100% natural, you can see, then you press Ctrl K, so you can see now. You can see now. You click on. You can click. It will allow you to click on 100% natural. Then you Ctrl D the 100% natural. You bring it to the top. Then you straighten it. I think it disappears. So you have to redo it again. That's why I bring it to this side. Then I redo it again. Straighten. You can see now. So what I'm trying to do is that I want to place that 100% natural at the bottom. You can see we have 200% natural there. So you can see now. So this is how you be trying and error. What do you call it? Trying and error. So you mirror it vertically and horizontally there. So as you can see, make sure you follow the video for you to know how I'm achieving all these things. It's very simple, but you have to follow the video for the first time. I'm trying to slow down because I'm not working for if it is client work. You understand? If it is client work, maybe someone give me work to do. You understand? I will not be slowing down like this because I'm trying to teach people something. That's why I'm slowing down. I'm revealing all these secrets. You understand? I'm revealing all these secrets. So after that, you have to press Ctrl K, so that you can pick that 100% by yourself. You can see. You should know that you can use shape tool to reduce the space or to expand it. You understand? So that's what I'm trying to do there. So after I draw this rectangle, I can see that this rectangle is not it cannot work because the space is very small. You can see the height. You can see it's very small. So I need space. I need more space. So I have to I have to redo the 100% again. I have to delete it and redo it again. I try to reduce it again and redo. Can see if you check the reference one, can see that rectangle is very is somehow bold. You can see, but this one is very small. You understand? So you have to adjust it. So if you want to adjust something like this, you adjust it from the text 100%. You have to make the text smaller and you increase so that you can increase the size of that rectangle. You can see what I will do here now. Although I click on the shape tool to curve the edge, the edge of the rectangle, you should all know that this is where I'm trying to practice something, but this is not what we are here for. Let's continue on the video. So make sure you curve the edge. After the edge, then you can increase the height, but there is no space. You can see there is no space for us to increase the height. Then what we have to do now is to use our common sense. So I pick the 100% natural at the top. So I have to reduce it again. I have to straighten it. Go back to test and straighten it. Then reduce it again. You can see. So I go back to test and I click on straighten case. Then I reduce it. So you should try to achieve something similar. You know, you use Beaver's fonts. BEPAS. Still yet, this is not giving me what I want at all. It's not giving me at all. You can see, it's not giving me, and I like doing something at least 90%. 90%. You understand? This is not giving me what I want at all. You can see, and I want my thing to be like 90% upward at least. You can see, there's a big difference. So what I have to do again is to reduce 100% natural so that I can get something similar to the original logo. You can see that it's very simple. Still yet, I'm not satisfied with this thing. I'm not satisfied. So we have to adjust it again and again. You can see now I'm not satisfied. I have to adjust it again and again. But I'm trying my best to adjust it. You can see. So what I can still do is to work on that 100%. I will try to reduce it again. You can see I will try my best to reduce it again. That's the only way I can achieve something similar to the original logo we are following. So I have to straighten it again. You can see I have to reduce it again. Even you will do the same thing to the bottom 100%. That one that is under, you have to do the same thing so that everything will be rhyme. You understand? You delete it. You press this on your keyboard. Then you duplicate this one. Then you straighten it. You go to test, straighten case. Then you have to redo it again and you bring it down. So simple as ABC. But you have to practice it. Don't just watch the tutorial without practicing. You will not understand. You will not understand. So you have to ask questions in case you don't know you are lost. You understand? It's a normal thing for you to lost because you are trying new things. So we have to work on the mirror vertically and horizontally. And you adjust it there. You can see where I'm clicking. You can see where I'm clicking. You can see where I'm clicking. So I think there is space for me to increase the height of the rectangle we are having. So I think there is small space for us. So we are working on that small space. Just increase it upward and downward together by pressing shift. You can see, just try to do the best, do your best. You understand? Do your best. Try to do your best. No one is perfect, but try and do something like you will like. You understand? It can take your time, as this one is taking our time, but you just have to make sure you are doing the right thing. So you click on polygon, you click on star. You can see that the star you are seeing on that reference is not something like this one. So you have to um, manipulate, let's say work on the star. So you want to work on it, you go to this is where I remove the outline. So you go to shape 2, then you adjust it upwards to somehow. You can see you adjust it out. So we are getting something similar to that style you are seeing there. So you now use it to adjust it. So simple as ABC. You can see that it's very simple. So what next for us is to adjust that all natural and the rectangle. So we have to rotate it. You just rotate it. So that's all for that logo design. You make sure you highlight on both of them. That's rectangle and that natural text. Then you rotate it. You can see how I'm rotating. Just try your best to rotate it. Do something similar to the original. So yeah, I know you are doing this one for the first time. Just try your best to recreate the original logo design. But the color is not the same. The original is somehow lighter than this one we are using. The color we are using. So the next thing I will do is just to use color eyedropper tool. The second to the last two on that toolbox, you can see. I will just pick this lighter color and start clicking on the text, on the star, on that shape, on that zigzag shape. So to achieve something similar. Unless unless you tell someone that this is the original, this is the replicate, someone will not know. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for the next video. I'm teaching you how you can design a flyer design in the next video. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.